In 1812, Napoleon Bonaparte embarked on an ambitious campaign to invade Russia, believing he could swiftly conquer the vast land and secure his empire's dominance, but little did he know that the unforgiving winter would shatter his dreams and decimate his once mighty army. As the bitter cold set in and supplies dwindled, the once unyielding confidence of Napoleon began to falter, unraveling the very fabric of his grand ambitions and leading to one of the most disastrous retreats in military history. The retreat from Moscow turned into a desperate struggle for survival as soldiers faced starvation, hypothermia, and relentless attacks from Russian forces, each step echoing the devastating impact of nature's ferocity on their shattered ranks. By the end of this grueling campaign, what had begun as a bold conquest had transformed into a monumental catastrophe, forcing Napoleon to confront not just the might of Russia, but the limits of his own ambition. The stories of bravery and sacrifice were overshadowed by the chilling reality of loss, as only a fraction of his grand army made it home, marking the beginning of the end for Napoleon's reign.